Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Let's face it, sometimes you just have more things to plug in than you do outlets. We found this surge protector from HANYCONY, and I really like this one because you not only get the plug-ins, there's 8 total, but you have 4 USB ports. This is a really big deal. This surge protector is in my son's room, so he's a gamer, lots of devices to plug in, and he also charges devices too. So having these USB ports is also like having a charger. And what's great about it is because it's a surge protector that's plugging in everything else he uses, it stays put and he's not losing the charger as that happens on a daily basis. So now when he needs to charge his device, he knows right where to go to because he hasn't misplaced it. This really is a quality surge protector in how it's built. So the cord is wrapped, it's really durable, and the actual plug-in for the surge protector itself is flat, which is really nice. So you don't have this big bulky plug like sticking out behind a dresser and taking up space. So if you're looking for a surge protector, because you also have far more things to plug in than you do outlets, you should check this one out. I think you'll be really happy with it. And having the USB ports is a huge bonus. And that's my point of view.